ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषये भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधेतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We will continue with the reading practice. After having learned all the letters, and the important topic, the conjunct consonants. So now we are trying to read the words with or without conjunct consonants. And later we will read sentences, and after that shlokas. So when you read a word, the ucharanam of the varna of the word, every letter and its ucharanam is very important. That is why we spend more time in the beginning on each word, trying to know the ucharanam, the place of pronunciation, how the letter is classified, and to understand the properties of the letter, whether the letter is the first thing, whether it is a consonant or a vowel. Then if it is a consonant, alpa prana, maha prana, nasalized or non-nasalized, mridu vyanjana athava katora vyanjana. So all these things we have seen. We spent more time on that in the beginning. So now when we read a word, we have to apply what we learned. And Sanskritam, as we know, it is very particular in pronunciation. The charm is really in pronouncing the letter and the word properly. Therefore, much emphasis is on the pronunciation. For that, we need to understand very clearly the ucharana sthanams. So when you read a word, the reading practice, when you do the reading practice, you need to recall all those things and read the word properly. And Sanskritam, as I told before, unlike other language, it is to be read as it is. In fact, it is very easier than English. English, you write in one way and you read it in another way. That problem is not there with Sanskritam. You read as it is written. Every varna has certain sound. So the sound of a word is nothing but the collection of the sound of the individual varna. So that is why varna abhyasa. In the beginning it was varna abhyasa. After varna abhyasa, now shabda abhyasa. Practicing the words, reading the words. A lot of words will be there. We are going to see it to come. And after that, Vakya Abhyasa, reading the sentences. For reading the sentences or for reading the shlokas, we have to be very familiar with the words. We have to be very familiar with the letters. So, therefore, please read the words which are going to come properly and pay attention. So, we will start now. Each one of you can read 10 words. Akoshi, you can start.
Yes, Guruji. Nakulaha.
Nakulaha.
Ajaha. Aja. Vyagaraha.
Again. Read again.
Vyagraha.
Vyagraha.
Sorry. Vyagri.
Vyagri.
Varanaha. Kapihi.
Read again.
Vanaraha. Kapihi.
Yes. You can read quickly. That's
Bidalaha.
Bidalaha.
Bidalaha. Long A. Marjari. Marjaraha.
Marjaraha.
Male cat, yes. Marjaraha.
Okay, next person. Deepika ji.
Bidali, Marjari, Vrishabha, Bhallukaha, Rikshaha, Meshaha, Edakaha, Rukaha, Simhaha, Mahishaha, Mahishi.
Good. Next person. Krishna ji.
जी रुक्षः लोमशः शल्लकी बलिवर्दः
Balivardaha.
सॉरी बलिवर्दः गोपतिः शूकरः वराहः हरिणः मृगः हरिणी मृगी
Mrigi.
मृगी गजः हस्ती.
Good. Next person. Varul ji.
Kalabha, करिष्यावकः
You can read the first line.
दर्पणः मच्चः विद्युदीप मच्चः
Not machaha. Manchaha.
मञ्चः विद्युदीपः करदीपः मण्डपः पादत्राणं कण्डकटं
No, it is Kankatam. Last class, I think we read the same slides.
कं
Kankatam.
कङ्कतं
So you must be familiar with the words.
हाँ
Last class, we read the same slides. So you must be familiar with the words now. Kankatam.
कङ्कतं भावचित्रं
Okay, next person. Subbalakshmi ji. Next line. Subbalakshmi ji, are you there? Okay. Next person. Akanksha ji.
Yes, sir. सीवनयन्त्रं वातायनं जवनिका यानपेटिका निधानिका द्विचक्रिका पाञ्चालिका मापिका माला पुष्पाधानी
Push. Oh, okay. It is mistake, I think. It should be Pushpadhani. It is not Pushpadhani. Pushpadhani. Flower vase. Okay.
दूरवाणी कर्तरी
Yeah. So these are Nityopavastuni. You can try to remember some of the words. You can develop your vocabulary. So a lot of words are going to come. All these words are required when we do the further exercises. You can try to remember as much as possible, because all these things are Nitya Upayoga Vastus, daily used objects. So you can be familiar with these words. And we are going to see each word. I mean, in general, when we read a word, we are going to see later what linga is that, whether it is Strilinga or Pullinga or Napumsakalinga, how it is going to be declined. So all these things we are going to see after this Abhyasa, Shabda Abhyasa and Vakya Abhyasa. So there you will see, when we do that part of the study, then there you will see the knowledge of the words, the meaning of the words, and the gender of the words are very important. So you can try to remember the meaning of these words. All these are the words, the names of the objects what we use every day. And for spoken Sanskritam also, it is the knowledge of these words are useful. Next person, Yajna Priyaji.
Yes, ji.
You can read 3 lines. Yeah.
Sanganakam Doordarshanam Ganayantram.
Ganakayantram.
Sorry, ji. Ganakayantram.
See, each word, you see the meaning. Darshana means seeing. Dura Darshana means that you can see that which happens at a distance.
Yes.
Sitting at one place, you can see what happens at a distance. That's why it's called Dura Darshana.
Darshanam.
Television. Ganaka Yantram. Yantram means machine.
Yes.
Ganaka is calculation.
Calculator.
So therefore, calculating machine, calculator.
Yes.
Sanganakam.
Computer.
There also Ganaka is calculation.
Ganaka.
Samyak Ganayati iti Sanganakam. That which does the calculation very well. Not only calculation, more than that. That is why Sam. Sam is a prefix. Sanganakam, that is computer. Similarly, the next word, Vani means speech.
Oh.
Speech or Bhasha. Akasha is space. The words of the space, it means radio. The radio waves. So therefore it is radio. Akasha Vani. Vani meaning Bhasha, the speech. And the words, the speech of the Akasha, it means radio. Radio waves. Akasha Vani.
Yes.
All, if you know the words, all these words, all the words have got words inside. Akasha meaning the space. It's a word. Vani is another word. So together becomes Akashavani. It means radio. Ganaka is a word, separate word. Yantram is another word. So Ganaka Yantram together, it means calculator.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, please continue.
Utpitika. Vyajanam. Samikaraha.
Samikaraha.
Samikaraha. Dandadipaha.
Sami means same or flat.
Oh.
Karaha means that which does, which flattens. What flattens? Iron box. That's why Samikara is which flattens, which straightens all the wrinkles, right? Which by smoothing it. Therefore, it's called Samikaraha. Another word, next word is very interesting. Deepaha means light. Danda means stick. Stick light. What is stick light? It means tube light. Danda meaning stick, Deepaha meaning light. So Danda Deepaha means tube light. Right? Okay. Please continue.
Stalika. Churika.
Churika, not Churika. Churika.
Oh. Churika. Suchika. Lekani.
Okay. Next one.
Syutaha.
Fine.
Asandaha. Sudhakandaha. Shyamapalakam. Dinadarshika. Lekanapalakam. Ankani. Chamasaha.
Okay, fine. Next person. Kirtishi.
मयूरः शुकः पिकः काकः बकः कपोतः श्येनः
Yes.
गृध्रः
Good.
हंसः आटिः
What's that?
आटिः
Atiha. No. Atihi. Not Atiha.
I'm sorry, आटिः,
Visarga.
correct.
Visarga.
Right.
Visarga takes a sound of the preceding the letter, the vowel, which is E, Ikara. So Atihi.
Right. आटिः जतुका दार्वाघाटः
Darvagataha means woodpecker. Daru means
Darva means
Daru means wood.
okay.
Darvagataha is woodpecker. Okay.
Ushtpakshi.
Ushtrapakshi. Try is I don't know whether
Oh,
you see that.
I can't see that.
Ushtrapakshi.
Okay. Ushtrapakshi. Chatakaha. The letters at the bottom, it's kind of I'm not able to see it. Ulakaha.
Ulukaha. Okay.
Ulukaha.
Okay. Next person, Bhavani ji.
Kamalam.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I can't.
Yeah.
I can't see. It says a level 1. Did I change?
Huh? I didn't change.
Okay.
Guruji, the screen is
Okay, okay, fine.
You change the level.
Yes, yes. Then
As you can see.
now you can see.
I'm sorry. I'm still seeing level 1.
It should be all right now. Change it. You see now Pushpani.
I'm seeing level 1.
no, Guruji, not yet. Guruji, we are seeing only level 1.
Guruji, Sanskritam level.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Japa. Mallika.
It is Pushpani. The spelling is wrong. I think I told in the last class it should be Murdanya Shakara.
Okay.
So when I say Murdanya Shakara, you understand what it is? Talavya Shakara, Murdanya Shakara. Shakara, or whether it is Talavya or Murdanya, these are Ushma Varna sibilants.
Okay.
The first letter of the sibilant, and in the sibilant category, the first letter, whose Ucharna Sthanam is Talu, that is Talavya Shakara. The second letter, which is Murdanya, is cerebral. So, Pushpani, it's a mistake. It should be Murdanya Shakara. Okay, anyway, continue.
Then Parandi.
Paranti. Not the. Paranti.
Paranti. Patalam. Kruputam.
It is Kriputam.
Kruputam.
Please see the letters properly.
Okay. It's a little bit tiny for me. Okay. Kruputam.
Not Kriputam. Not Kriputam.
Kruputam.
No, it's not Kriputam. Please see what is the first letter. Not
Ku. Sorry, Ku.
See, please practice the letters. Each letter, the consonant vowel combination, you have to write it. At least 25 times you have to write it. Be familiar with that. I don't know whether you practice that. The workbook, what I sent, all the letters are there. In the letters, you have to practice the same letter for a number of times till you are familiar with the pronunciation of the letter. It is Ku.
Ku.
Kumudam. Kumudam.
Kuputam.
Not Kuputam. Very Pu. It is Mu.
Kumutam.
Yes. Okay, continue.
Thank you, Guruji.
I won't be able to spend too much time on one person, so I will try to correct and move on. So it is you have to develop.
Okay. Chaptakam.
No, it is Champakam.
Champakam. Shova.
Not so. It is say.
Say.
Sevantika.
Sevantika. I can't, probably I'm have a hard time seeing it, Swami. Sorry. Okay. Mantaram. Ashokam. Tulashi.
Not
Tulashihi.
Tulasi, not Tulasi. Sakara. It is Dantya Sakara, Tulasi.
Tulasi.
Next word, yeah.
Triya. Rado. Na. Kusha.
Okay, I'll move to the next person. Devaki ji, you read.
द्रोणपुष्पं
Drona Pushpam. Okay.
सूर्यकान्ति
Surya
सूर्यकान्तिः
Kantihi. Okay.
कर्णिकारं
Okay. Good.
सुदर्शना
Yes. Continue.
फलानि शाकानि
Palani is fruits. Shakani
फलानि
vegetables.
आलुकं हरितं लशुनं गृञ्जनकं पुष्पशाकं सूरणः भिण्डिः रक्तफलं वृन्ताकं पलाण्डुः कर्कटी करवेल्लं
Karavelam, not Karavelam.
कारवेलं
Okay, next person. Prabhakar.
Guruji. Urvarukam Palangaha.
Palangaha, not Palanga.
Oh, Panga. Okay, it's Guruji, what is it? Palangaha.
Palangaha.
Oh, Palangaha. Palangaha. Koshataki.
Yes.
Draksha. Panasam. Sevam. Abram.
Amram.
Ambram. Kalingam.
Kalingam.
Kadali Palam. Ananasam. Amalapam. Narangam.
Okay, next person. Pratibha ji.
Narangam.
वर्णाः श्वेतः कृष्णः नीलः रक्तः पीतः पिङ्गलः हरितः पाटलः केसरवर्णः केसरवर्णः.
Okay, you can read. I think you read this in all these things the last.
Yes, we finished last time.
Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Sharirasya avyavaha. I start from outside. Shiraha.
Not
Nasik.
Shiraha.
Shiraha. Nasika. Oshtadharau. Bruhu. Netram. Karanaha. Jihva. Dantaha. Kaninika. Gulfaha. पार्ष्णिः कूर्परः अंगुलिः अंगुली नखम हस्तः केशाः कपोलः कंठः वक्षस्थलं जानु पादः ऊरुः उदकं
Udakam means water. Udara means stomach.
Okay. Udaram, skandha, chibukam, lalataha.
Good.
Dhanyavadah.
Umaji. Umaji, are you there?
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Guruji. Sankyaha Shunyam Ekam Dve Trini Trini Satvari Pancha Vat Shat Sapta Ashta Nava Dasha Ekadasha Dwadasha.
Okay, up to that. Next person. Akoshi.
Dasha.
Vimshati.
Vimshatihi. Trimshat. Chatvaramshat. Chatvarimshat, sorry. Panchashat. Shatihi.
Shashtihi.
Shashtihi. Saptani.
Huh? Read again.
Saptani.
Saptani, where is ni?
No, Saptihi.
Not sapti.
Yeah.
Saptatihi.
Yes, I see now. Saptatihi. Ashitihi.
Yes.
Navatihi. Shatam. Sahasram.
Sahasram. Not
Sahasram.
Okay. Here you see this letter. Sahasram.
Sahasram, yeah.
I'll type here, I'll show you. Sahasram and Sahastram. The stram in the word like astram, shastram, shastram, that is different from the word sram. Sakara plus repa plus a. It is sra. Written like this. Now, sakara plus repa plus takara plus repa plus this will be written like this. Stra. See the difference between these two, not same, right? These letters are not same. For this stra, example sahasra. For this stra, it is example is the word shastra or astra. Not the difference. So when you see these letters, see the distinction and read properly. Stra and stra. Okay.
Yeah, Dhanyavada, Guruji.
Continue. Yes, continue. Is my voice clear? Can you all
Yes, but I use hotspot, so it's a little bit slower than usually.
Okay.
Ayutam, laksham, prayutam, kotihi.
Kotihi. Okay. Next person, Deepika ji.
समयः एकवादनं दशाधिक एकवादनं सपाद एकवादनं विंशत्याधिक एकवादनं सार्ध एकवादनं पञ्चत्रिंशत्याधिक एकवादनं पादोन द्विवादनं पंचन्यून द्विवादनम द्विवादनम.
Good. See, all it is about samaya. Eka. Okay. All these things we will see later. The meanings. Here now, this is meant only for reading practice.
Yes.
But I'll give some more information. We can. Vadana is the measurement, the way to express the time. Eka vadana means 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Dashadika. Dashadika means Dasha is 10. Adhika is more. So it is 1:10. 10 past 1. Dasha Adhika Ekavadana.
Okay.
Pada means quarter, 15. Sapada means 15 past Ekavadana, 1 o'clock. Vimshati is already we have seen 20. Vimshatyadika, 20 past 1.
Yes.
Ardha means half. Ardha means 30 minutes past. So Pada Ekavadanam 1:30. Panchatrimshatyadika. Pancha is 5. Trimshat is 30. Adhika is more. So 35 minutes more to 1 o'clock. So it is 1:35. Padona. Una means minus, less. Pada is quarter, 15. So 15 less. 15 minutes less. Divadanam. So it is 15 minutes less to 1 o'clock. Padona. Pancha Nyuna. Nyuna is also less. So 5 minutes to Divadanam. Divadanam is 2 o'clock. Okay. So these numerals we will see later.
Yes. Ekavadanam, Dvivadanam, Trivadanam, Chaturvadanam, Panchavadanam, Shadvadanam, Saptavadanam, Ashtavadanam, Navavadanam, Dashavadanam, Ekadashavadanam, Dvadashavadanam.
Okay, next person, Krishna.
Yes, Guru.
Here, Kriyaha. Okay, Kriyaha means action. So all these are the verbal forms, verbs. All these are verbs. Yeah, please read.
Sthagayati.
Sthagayati means stops. Sthagayati. Okay.
Pidadhati.
Pidadhati is closes. Pidadhati.
Okay. Udghatayati.
Yes.
Nimilayati.
Nimilayati.
Sorry, Guru. Nimilayati. Jwalayati. Nirvapayati. Dadati. Yachati. This I can't read properly. Gruyati.
Okay, it is Grunnati.
Grunnati.
So I will type that to show you.
Yes.
Grunnati. Grunnati is accepting. It is Grunnati. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. Grunnati.
Okay.
Mati. Anviyat. Anvishyati.
Anvishyati.
Anvishyati. Parikshate. Chinoti. Peshayate. Villayati. Bharjayati.
Okay, Velayati, sorry. It is Velayati, rolling.
Velayati, acha. Okay. Bharjayati. Pariveshayati.
Pariveshayati means serving. Pariveshanam. Pariveshana kriya. Pariveshayati iti. Okay.
Sankalayati.
Sankalanam iti yukte addition.
Vyavakalayati.
Subtracting. Okay.
Gunayati. Bhajayati.
Next person, Parulji.
Mrudra parpataha.
Read again.
Mudra parpataha.
Number 2 here, it is a payasam, straight from there.
Yes, sir.
Read from the left hand side.
Oh, sorry.
Left words are there. Yeah.
Payasam. Sagu payasam. Sutrika payasam. Parpatah.
Sutrika payasam.
Sutrika payasam.
Not sutrika. Sutrika. It is not su. Su. Dirgha.
Sutrika payasam. Parpatah. Mudra parpatah.
Not mudra. Where is mudra?
Mudra.
Not dra. It is ga.
Zga, no?
Yeah, it is ga. Mudga.
Mudga parpatah.
Okay.
Parikalpa pavardharyama.
Pavardharyama. What is that? Parikalpa vardhyam.
Palikalpa vardhyam.
Parikalpa vardhyam.
Palikalpa vardhyam.
Not pali. Parikalpa vardhyam.
Parikalpa. Parikalpa vardhyam.
Vardhyam.
Vardhyam. Sagu vardhyam. Bhasha vatika.
Bhasha vatika.
Bhasha vatika.
Okay, next person. Akanksha ji.
Yes. Svadu mathitam dadyanam dadivatika.
Dadyanam. Okay. Dadyanam.
Dadivatika takram payohimam gruha sambandhi nipadani.
Gruha sambandhini padani. Okay, read like that.
Gruha sambandhi nipadani.
Not a huge. There's no pause after sambandhi.
Acha, okay.
So that it's the pause makes it nipadani as though it's a nipadani. Gruha sambandhini padani. You have to read without pause between the letters.
Gruha sambandhini padani.
Yes. If you know the word, you can give pause. Otherwise, you have to read without any pause. Gruha sambandhini padani.
Okay.
Because gruha is one word, means house. Sambandhini is a word, not sambandhi. Sambandhini, it means connected or related. Padani means objects. That is not nipadani.
Yes. Okay.
He should be added to the previous letter. Sambandhini padani. If you know, you can read like that. Gruha sambandhini padani. Otherwise, Gruha sambandhini padani without any pause. But to read Gruha sambandhi nipadani is not correct. Okay.
Yes. Vatayanam dvaraha kupaha rajjuhu paryankaha dinapatrika.
Okay. Next person, Yajnapriya ji.
Yes, ji. Gatika. Gatika. Deepaha.
Not Gatika. Read again.
Gatika.
No.
It's
right.
Ghatika.
That's a mistake. Read again. What is the mistake?
I think the first letter pronunciation.
What is the first letter?
It's Ga.
Read now.
Ghatika.
Again, there's a mistake. Do you recognize a mistake?
Ghatika.
Is it Ghatika or Ghatika?
Ghatika.
Understand now?
Ji?
Understand the mistake?
Yes, Ji.
It is Ghatika, not Ghatika.
Oh, Dirgha. Yes.
You are making it Dirgha. That is not Dirgha.
Yes.
There is no word Ghatika. Ghatika only is there.
Yes. Ji. Deepaha. Sikatavartika.
Not Sikata. It's a conjunct letter.
Siktavartika.
Yes.
Vidyutya. Vidyutya. Vidyutyajanam.
Vidyut Tyajanam. Where is Tyajanam?
No, Ji, I couldn't see it properly. That's a problem.
The letters are big only. If you use laptop, be clear. Or even if you use mobile, you can zoom it and see. Zoom in onto the word.
Vyajanam.
Vidyuta Vajanam.
Vidyuta Vajanam.
Here also,
Shitakam.
Vajanam means fan.
Yes.
Vidyuta is electric. So Vidyuta Vajanam. So you should not read Vidyu, Tavya, Janam. You cannot read like that. Okay.
Vidyuta Vajanam.
Vajanam. If you are pausing, Vidyuta Vajanam. Otherwise, without pause, Vidyuta Vajanam.
Yes, Ji.
To read Vidyu, Tavya, Janam. It's not proper. Right?
Vidyuta Vajanam.
Yes.
Shitakam. Kshalayantram.
Shalana Yantram.
Sorry. Kshalana Yantram. Mishrakam.
Let's see. Okay.
Samikaraha.
Samikaraha.
Samikaraha. Ganakayantram.
Every letter, I emphasize, every letter pronunciation is important.
Yes, Ji.
Samikaraha.
Samikaraha.
So you are making Dirgha where it is not. And you are making Rasva where Dirgha is. So you have to focus on that mistake.
Yes.
Not to do it. Okay.
Ganakayantram. Akashavani. Doordarshanam. Dooravani. Jangama Dooravani. Chitragriharni. Chitragriharni.
Read again. Chitragrahini. Okay. Not
The
this.
last letter, the screen, I'm unable to see it properly, Ji. I think my screen issue is there.
Okay. Chitragrahini.
Chitragrahini.
Okay. Next person now. Kirti. Who is the person? Next person? Kirti ji only. Yeah.
Yeah. Abharnani tata.
Abharanani.
Abharnani.
Not Abhar.
Abhara. Abharanani tata. Vastrani.
Okay.
Mala. Kankanam. Anguliyakam. Nasabharanam.
Nasabharanam.
Nasabharanam. Nupuram. Tatakam. Tatankaha. Tatankaha.
Tatankaha. Yes.
Tatankaha. Kudupaha. Pushpaharaha. Kantabhusha.
Okay, it should be Kantabhusha only, not Kantabhusha. It's a mistake. Kantabhusha. Okay.
Kantabhusha. Kanchukaha. Nicholaha. Ardhanicholaha. Shatika. Yutkam.
Not Yutkam.
Yutakam. Veshtihi. Urukam. Upanetram. कटिपटः कटिपटः
कटिपट्टः कटिपट्टः
कटिपट्टः पादरक्षा शिरस्त्रं
Yes, Shirastram. Next person.
शिरस्त्रं
Bhavani ji. Are you there, Bhavani ji?
Here I got lost in the computer. Hitaha,
Kitaha.
Hitaha, Padangaha, Padangaha,
Not Padanga, it is Patangaha.
Padangaha.
You have to work, do a lot of homework, Bhavani ji.
I will.
Patangaha.
Padangaha.
Not Padangaha. Don't make it da. It is not da. It is ta. Patangaha.
Patangaha.
Okay, read.
Okay. Okay, Guruji, I'll work on it more.
Huh?
Maybe I'll skip today.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next person, Devaki ji.
वृश्चिकः तैलपः ऊर्णनाभः शम्भुकः कर्कटकः मक्षिका मधुमक्षिका चित्रपतङ्गः मशकः यूकः मत्कुणः पिपीलिका.
Yes. Next person. Prabhakar.
Guruji. Sorry, it takes time for refreshing. I'm able to see. Mrugaha. Harinaha. Mrugaha. Harinaha. Gardabaha. Ashvaha. Simhaha. Gajaha. Ushtraha. Ushtraha. Sorry, Guruji. Ushtraha. Nakraha. Vyagraha. Marjaraha. Chikshotaha. Is the correction?
No, very Chikro.
Oh, sorry. Chikrotaha. Vrikaha. Shrugalaha. Murshikaha. Sunakaha. Bekaha. Shashakaha. Sarpaha. Denuhu. Vanaraha. Ajaha. Chitroshtraha.
Okay.
Did I say that correct, Guruji?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next person. Pratibha.
पक्षिणः उष्ट्रपक्षी हंसः मयूरः काकः चातकः कारण्डवः शेनः कुक्कुटः मीनरङ्गः शुकः उलूकः धामरा बकः कपोतः जतुका.
Next person.
धन्यवादः.
Yes, Guruji. Pushpani. Karnikaragha. Kamalam. Varanti. Ulpalam. Sevantika. Drona Pushpam. Olika.
Oliya.
Olia. Sorry. Olia. Champakam. Suryakanti. Padalam. Suryakanti.
Kantihi.
Kanti, sorry. Suryakantihi. Padala Pushpam.
Patala
Japa.
Pushpam, not Padala.
Patala Pushpam. Japa. Sadakumbha.
Shatakumbha. I think still you have the problem of Katora Vyanjana and Mridu Vyanjana.
Sorry.
It is not Shatakumbha. Shatakumbha.
Shatakumbha. Mallika. Nagapushpam. Mandaram. Ashokam.
Yes, next person. A question.
It's slow, a bit slow. Sorry.
Yeah, please read.
Amram.
Palani. Okay, that's a heading.
So Palani. Amram. Ratkaphalam. Amaram. Amram. Yes. Amram. Raktaphalam. Jambiraham. Kalingam. Kalingam. Jambuphalam. Draksha.
You have to read properly.
Draksha. Yes, Guruji. Madhu Karti. Madhukarti. Savam. Madhukarkati. Sivam. Ananasam.
Ananasam.
Panasam.
A lot of mistakes are there in your reading now.
Ananasam. Panasam. Narangaphalam. Kadaliphalam. Kharjuram. Kharjuram. Kajavam. Amalakam. Amalakam.
Next person. Deepika.
जी गुरुजी. शरीर संबंधी शब्दाः नयनम, नासिका, जिह्वा, कर्णम, शीर्षं, ललाटः, भ्रूः, ओष्ठौ, करः, पादः, दन्तः, अंगुली.
Next person, Krishna.
विद्यालय संबंधिनी पदानि.
विद्यालय संबंधिनी पदानि.
विद्यालय संबंधिनी पदानि.
संबंधिनी पदानि. D is दीर्घ.
Okay, Guru. कक्षा. दीर्घोपीठिका. उत्पीठिका. आसदः. आसन्दः. स्यूतः. पुस्तकं. लेखनी. बालिका. बालः. छत्रम्.
Paruji.
Sir, can I ask a question? Is there any book available in the market of all these words so we can read and learn properly?
Already I sent you the material. This is that book not sufficient.
You have sent.
I sent 2 times. You can see the group.
Okay. All the workbook. Okay. Okay.
Not only the workbooks. When the workbook, all the words are there at the end of that second workbook, and in the main book, all these words, everything is there.
But the English or Hindi meaning are there, so we can come to know. Okay, this is this and.
See, how many words you will remember the English meaning? It's not possible
Yeah,
to remember everything now.
Okay.
Now this is only a reading practice. It's enough to
Okay.
read. Later,
Okay.
when we get into the language, then
Okay.
there you have to know the words. That time you
Okay.
see. Now it's not required.
Okay, sir.
Now pay attention only to the reading of the words and the sentences,
Okay.
shlokas properly. The reading focuses only on reading, not on
Okay.
the meaning.
Okay, sir.
Meaning you can know whatever you can.
Mhm.
Now the focus is not on the meaning. See, this is
Okay.
the problem. The focus should not shift from what
Reading too.
or
Yeah.
no. The reading is a focus.
Yeah. Yes,
What
sir.
is reading only. Reading the letters, the words properly.
Okay.
We
Okay,
are
sir.
in Akshara Abhyasa, now Shabda Abhyasa. We are not in knowing the meaning and the language. The language, the grammar, language will come next.
Okay, sir.
Next.
Yeah.
There you will see words. Okay.
Okay.
There is a book available, dictionary is available. What will you do with the dictionary?
Yeah, that
A lot
is
of words
correct.
are there. Okay. A book with all the words, dictionary is a book for that. What is it?
Okay, sir.
Not required. This already,
Yes.
anyway, already all this material have been sent to you. Please check
Okay.
that.
Okay. Yeah.
In the workbook number 2,
Okay.
the words are given for a practice, for writing and reading. And at the end of the workbook, all the words are given.
Okay, sir.
And to know the meaning of the words, if at all, if you want to know. But I don't know how many words you would be able to remember at this moment.
Yeah, that
You
is
can always
correct.
check the dictionary, spokensanskrit.org.
Hmm.
There also you will find meaning, more meaning, more
Okay,
meanings
sir.
for one word. So it is difficult.
Yes, sir.
So, see,
So
already
shall
I
I?
have sent, so Neelam Desai ji, already I have sent many times to the group.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, Shalinji, namaste. I have just joined, so this is my second class. So I think I might not have received it. So
Okay, somebody can please resend the workbook and the main book what I sent again.
yeah,
Because I have sent 2 or 3 times. When I send you, please download and save it.
Okay.
sure.
Shall I read it?
Yeah, please read it.
Vruksha aushadaya cha.
Shaha Aushadha. You don't drop the visarga.
Vrikshaha aushadaya.
Shaha Aushadayaha. Cha.
Aushadaya.
Not Aushadaya. It is Aushadaya. There's a mistake also there. One extra vertical
Huh?
stroke.
Aushadaya. Aushadaya.
Aushadayaha.
Aushadaya cha.
Not O. You're saying O. It very slow.
It is O.
It is O. Aushadayaha.
Aushadaya.
There is a mistake in that word. Aushadayaha. One more stroke is there after.
One more stroke is there, yes.
It's
Yeah.
not required. It's a wrong mistake.
Ikshuha.
Ikshuhu, not Ikshuha.
Ikshuhu. Ikshuhu. Amraha. Narikelah. Pug Vrukshah. Panasah. Kadali. Vanshah. Karnikarah. Nayagrodha. Ashwatha. Tulasi. Neem.
Okay,
Tulasi.
Nyagrodha. I think I pay attention to that word what you read. Nyagrodha.
Nayagrodha.
Not Nayagrodha. Where is Naya? It is
Nyagrodha.
Nyagrodha.
Tulasi.
Ashwataha.
Yes, sir. Ashwataha. Tulasi.
Tulasi. Not Tulasi. Tulasi.
Tulasi. Nimbaha. Lajjavati. Tambulavali.
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 Not Vali.
Tam-
Vali.
Valli. Tambulavali.
Tambula Valli.
Tambulavali.
See, first learn the reading practice. That's what I said. Learn to read words. Then we can talk about the meaning. This is why this is only for reading practice.
Yeah. Tambulavali.
Not Vali. It is Valli.
Valli. Tambulvalli.
Not Tambul. Tambula Valli.
Okay.
Each must you see the word. Listen.
Yes, sir.
See each word properly. Each letter properly.
Tambul.
Okay, allow me to speak. Okay. Tambula Valli. Tambula
Valli.
Guruji, allow me to speak. Okay. Then you can read.
Okay.
First, read letter by letter. The first letter is Ta.
Ta.
And first
Ma.
letter is Ta. And the next one is conjunct consonant.
Yes.
Therefore, Tam, you can say Tam, and Bu is the next word. Bu, Tam, Bu. Then La, then Val, Li, Valli. So, Tambula, Valli, Tambula, Valli. Letter by letter, you have to read.
Tambulavalli.
Tambula. Bulla is different, Bula is different. Anyway, I won't focus too much on that. You have to practice.
Yeah.
Okay, move on.
Tala Vrukshaha.
Tala Vrikshaha. Because I have spent a lot of time on this, the consonant topic. So now after that, you have to practice. It's only a practice on your side. We can do only a limited practice in the class. Each one of you,
Yes.
we can ask you to read 10 words or 15 words. But
yeah.
Reading again, it all depends purely on one's effort. Okay. Acharyat padabhadatte padam shishya swamedaya. Padam saha brahmacharibhyaha padam kalat kramenacha. That is Subhashitam. A teacher can contribute only 25%. Another 25% which has to come only by the effort of the student. Acharyat padam. Padam means quarter. Acharyat padam adatte. Padam shishya swamedaya. Another quarter is only by the meda of the shishya. It all depends on the student. Another padam depends on the other student, the help of the other students, the classmates. Padam saha brahmacharibhyaha. Another pada, another 20%, kala kramenacha. In course of time, things will be clear, doubts will be cleared. Okay. This is applicable to any study, not only Sanskrita. So, my effort is only 25%. I can only make you read. But another 25% depends purely on your effort. Another 25%, you have to take the support of the other students. You can form a group, you can discuss. Students, I may not be the member of that group. No need to add me. You can discuss among yourselves as doubts. I think, Parul, you are not paying attention to what I'm saying. Anyway, we'll stop the class now. We'll see next week. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada Guruji.
Dhanyavada Guruji.
First of all, pay attention to what I'm saying. You're not paying attention at all. Your mind is not in what I'm saying. Anyway.
Can I have a question, Guruji?
Sir, yeah, please ask, sir.
I would like to ask one word, and that word is, just a second, I have to find it. I already sent you, and it's
Paranti.
Paranti, yeah. What is it?
Flower. It's the name of the flower. What flower?
But I don't know in English, so I tried to find it in English. You said it's not important, so it's okay. But
I also
okay.
don't know in English, okay. The English word for that flower, I don't know really. Many words, in fact,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, I will try to find it.
It's known, yeah.
It's more important to read Sanskritam properly, I know.
That's
Okay,
what
thank you.
Focus is only on
Vartika. Vartika.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
Dhanyawada.
Thank you.
Hari Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.